Here we are with James with Titan Builders. He's taking care of us.
Yes, sir.
Here, you got to give them a ring.
Right, let's go.
So, James, how did you all get started?
We originally started as a construction company and decided to get out of that because, South Florida is just too hot. We decided to jump in during COVID with the Fresno satellite warehouse out there, just become a backup crew. Now we have what you see now. It used to be just 28 to 56 units a day, and now we go on the road anywhere from 125 to several thousand units. It just depends on what the customer would like. That's what we're here to give, exactly what the customer would like. The gravel is definitely one of our biggest challenges. So we've introduced the carpet to our job sites, and hopefully that'll help alleviate some of the stress on the build team to be able to make you guys a little happier, less trash.
What's the largest job that you've done assembly-wise?
650 units, 50 handicaps, and 500 standards.
And where are you off to next?
Fremont, Nebraska. That's where we'll be heading to next. I believe it's Cornhusker area out there in Nebraska. So, yeah, we'll see what it looks like.
Bringing your team and assembling all these units. Let's have a look at what these guys are doing over here.
Absolutely.